Namaskar, myself Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Repertory. Now I am presenting my new topic, Importance of the Repertory in the field of homeopathy. What is repertory? Repertory is the index or the storehouse of the symptoms or the materia medica. Repertory is an index of the homeopathic materia medica which is full of information collected from the toxicology and drug proving and the clinical experience of the author or the different stalwarts. The physician who have never used or have rarely used repertory complains about its elaborate method and time consuming nature, but one who has used it meaningfully find it highly useful and time saving. Importance of homeopathy is based on the three subjects. First is the organ of medicine. In this we can study about the principles of the homeopathy. Second one is materia medica. In this subject we can study about the different types of the medicines. Nowadays we have the 4,000 medicines are present, and in the repertory. In repertory we can study the symptoms along with the medicines. All three subjects are related to each other. What is the importance of repertory in the field of homeopathy? The first importance is to avoid the routinism. It teaches by gradation the relative importance of various medicines. All the medicines have some gradation. These gradations are gives importance to medicines according to different authors. Gradations are different according to author. It is depend upon the clinical practice, clinical experience, drug proving and the toxicology. Second was to select the symptom quickly. It helps to find out the complete symptom also. When we can select one symptom that is completed by four components. First is the location, second one is the sensation, modalities and the concomitant. If we cannot find any one component, then we can complete the symptom with the help of repertory. Second one is select the symptom quickly. When we have not any particular totality of the case, then we can select the remedy on the basis of the keynote symptom, and single symptom medicine we can select. It promotes discovery of the medicine, and it is also useful for the second prescription. Its constant use makes the physician efficient. Repertory is also helpful to physician and for the asking intelligent question. It helps to study of the materia medica. Different medicines are studied by the repertory. It helpful for the recall and to find out the symptom also. Repertory is very useful for the beginners and the new physicians because it is very useful for the bedside prescription. And for example, the Morning Hassan therapeutic pocket book is the very good repertory for the bedside prescription. If we can found any modalities, so we can advise the prescription on the basis of the modalities. Second one is the BBCR. BBCR is very useful repertory for the modern type of prescription related with the lifestyle disorder. And third one is the CANT repertory, and our stalwart says CANT repertory is the complete repertory, and it is depend upon the mental general and the physical general in particular, and all types of the cases are repertorized by them. Thank you.